Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kada. In this episode, we are going to talk to you about the OnePlus Buds Pro and how you can utilize its maximum potential. So, without further ado, let's roll. So first up, let's talk about how can you pair this to your phone. So if you have a OnePlus phone, which is pretty easy, you just have to open the cover and then place it near your OnePlus phone. And as soon as you place it, you start getting a pop-up which says connect to your phone and connect to the earbuds, which is pretty cool to have, right? And even if you have a OnePlus TV as well, if you go near the OnePlus TV, it automatically detects the earbuds and then it shows that do you want to connect it to that, which can be good as well as it can be a little bit of a nuisance as well. Anyhow, so that's how you connect, and you can also go to Bluetooth settings and pair as a normal Bluetooth earphones as well. Next up, let's see where you can find the settings for the Bluetooth headphones or these earphones. It's pretty easy in a OnePlus or an Oppo phone or a related phone. So in those phones, you just have to go to the Bluetooth and you can find it in that settings itself. It would be inside the Bluetooth itself, right? Or else, if you do not have a OnePlus phone, then you have to download the Hey Melody app, which I have put in the description as well. The link is there in the description, but you just have to download that and then you can open it and connect it via this app itself. And from there, you can have all these settings which I am showing here. Now let's talk about the case. The form factor is really good. The build quality is really good. It is pretty durable. The only problem what I found is the opening. It's a little bit of difficult to open, but that's fine. The case has a LED indicator which indicates the charging and all, and also a button which is used for pairing as well as factory reset also. It has these two earbuds which are really good. It has a chrome finish. It's like a half chrome finish and half as other things, right? Black. Matte kind of finish, which is also really good. You get really good battery backup, approximately 38 hours of battery backup. It has wireless charging as well as fast charging, so just 10 minutes of charge and you use it for approximately 10 hours, which is pretty cool. Let's talk about the hold or the press area. You just have to hold the stem of the earbuds and press it until you hear a tick sound, and that's the press area which triggers all the actions. Let's just directly jump into the settings now, and in the settings tab you can see what all things are there. The first on the list is the noise cancellation. You can turn on noise cancellation or you can turn on, there are three modes basically: on, off or transparency mode. So each mode has its own benefits, and then you can see the actions here, like pinch once to play or pause or take a calls, or pinch twice to move to the next song or something like that. And there is pinch thrice, which can also be customized. So pinch thrice can be customized for each ear separately or each pod separately. Like the left one, you can customize it for either previous track or voice assistant, and the same with the right as well. Now that is what pinch thrice can do. Only pinch thrice can be customized as of now. And then you also have pinch and hold, which will actually turn on noise cancellation or turn off noise cancellation or transparency mode. You can switch between the noise cancellation modes, right? And that is what pinch and hold helps you in doing. Then you also have a Zen mode. So Zen mode is wherein you can press that hold button for more than 3 seconds and it turns on the Zen mode, which actually has a lot of different musics and which can be downloaded to your earpods directly, and it can be set. Once it's set, even without the internet, it plays a very white noise, we can say, which is really good and we can enjoy it. So it's for Zen mode wherein you do not want to hear anything else. It's not too silent, right? So that's for the Zen mode is used for. Now, there is one more thing which is earbud test. You can put in your earbuds and click on play and you can see how the earbuds are fitting properly. So this is a fit test. It will help us know if the earbuds fit us properly. Then there is the proprietary OnePlus Audio ID, which is a set of settings which sets for your OnePlus AirPods. Is only for OnePlus phones you can get it, and it actually sets in a proper set of settings, like all the variables and all those things, and it gives you a proper value so that you can listen very high quality music. And then there is in-ear detection, which is really nice. Whenever you remove one of the earbuds, the music stops or the call goes from the earbuds into the phone's not speakers, the phone's in-ear speakers, right? And this can be used whenever you want your music to stop whenever you remove one of the earbuds. Then there is the quick guide which explains what all things I have also explained here, and that's what it is. Then there is one more feature which is find my earbuds, which is really nice if you forget this small earbuds somewhere and you want to find them. So it will actually show you the last known location of your earbuds, not like the live location but the last connected location, right? So you would know that where was it last connected, and you can also play a sound which comes from the earbuds, and you can try to locate your earbuds if you have lost it in your room. So the sound is not very loud, but if it's a very silent room you can easily find your earbuds. Then you have auto update and firmware updates and all. Please turn on auto update of firmware, because firmware is really important. They keep on updating with bug fixers and things like that, and it will help a lot. So definitely turn the auto update firmware, and that's it. That's everything in the settings. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and also share this video with your friends and subscribe to Gadget Kada for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.